Thai fish cakes.
Today we will cook the Thai fish cake. This is gonna be homemade style, okay? So the fish that we're gonna use today is called Featherback fish, which is they sell with the box like this. Leaf. This one is gonna make it smell good. And we also have the water chestnut. You can use the whole piece because we're gonna blend it to be the small one anyway. And this one called Pla Grai curry. So you can buy in any supermarket. And we also gonna have one of the egg. So let's get started with the leaf. Just to make it easy to cut, we will attach it together just like this. And then so we're just gonna sit it on the side. Okay, the next one we're gonna blend the water chestnut. Oh my gosh. So let's wash it pretty good. I would say I will use around 6 to 7 pieces. And then you just will blend it. It's gonna turn out around this big. So then sit on the side. So we're gonna use the all meats of the fish. Just like this. One piece of egg. And on the seasoning, we will use sugar. I would say 1.4 teaspoon. Fish sauce. Just a little bit. Really a little bit. The reason we just put a little bit because the Pla Grai itself is already salty. They already come with the sodium like their own sauce. So we will go with 1 tablespoon, I guess. I would say like I would take my common sense to see on the color. The color may tell you how salty is it. So let me try to mix it and then we will see how dark the salt is go to the meat. Okay, we just mix everything together. Right now we have this color. I think I can add a little bit more of Pla Grai if you guys not sure if it's salty or not, you don't need to really dump everything in as the first time. So basically after you mix it, you can try to cook in a microwave or deep fry just a little bit, just a piece, just to taste. And then, you know, because like I would say every house, the way the salty level that we eat is totally different. So for myself, sometimes we try not to go too much too salty. And we also don't want to put a lot of sugar, just, you know, like sometimes you don't want to just add all the sugar into your food. So yeah, you can just try that way. And I'm just gonna get all the chestnut. Just I don't want to throw away, so I'm just gonna use all of it. And I'm gonna the garlic. I'm just gonna try a little bit first. Just mix it. Actually, the Thai original they use a bean, like a long bean, to slice and put it in, but I would say I like the water chestnut even more, just for the texture of the fish cake. Wow, this is so perfect. This is perfect. So if you can see the texture is really thick for right now, but I want to make it more harder, so I'm gonna put into the freezer maybe 30 minutes to an hour before we deep fry. So just have a seat 30 minutes.
Thai fish cakes.